guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the first giveaway video for the month of Jan. If you saw my Welcome 2016 video, you'll know that this month I'm kind of celebrating my blog turning 7 years old. So I'll be hosting 4 giveaways, one per week, and it will be on a Thursday. So today it's going to be all about BBlunt products. I've used BBlunt products on and off for quite a while now, and every time that I did feature them in whatever capacity on my YouTube channel, I got a lot of requests to do reviews of them. So today I'll tell you a little bit about the brand. I'll give mini reviews of every single product, and at the end of the video I will tell you about the giveaway and how you can win a bunch of these products yourself. So BBlunt is a really famous chain of salons in Mumbai, and they are really well known, especially for styling a lot of Bollywood films, giving a lot of iconic looks in Bollywood films. So in 2014 they launched the B System, which is basically their range of hair care products, and there are a lot of different hair care products for every different problem that you might face. The B System's approach to hair care is trifold, because you first prep, then you style, and then you transform. So prep basically means just using the right kinds of like hair care products for your hair type, like shampoo and conditioner. Style is of course using products to style your hair, get it to look exactly as you want, and transform is just taking them forward and changing up the way your hair looks, because they have some fun temporary hair colors and stuff like that. BBlunt has this really nice questionnaire on their website with which you can kind of tell your hair type into that questionnaire, and then they'll tell you exactly what products are suited for you. First I'm going to discuss the prep products, which are the shampoo and conditioner. So this is the BBlunt Perfect Balance shampoo, and this is the conditioner. This shampoo is meant for normal to dry hair, and I've also tried the dark blue one, which is meant for extremely dry hair. So my hair is pretty dry, and I think I prefer the dark blue one a little better, but this is also nice if your hair is like slightly dry but it's still in like okay shape and you just want to give it the moisture that it needs. The packaging is really beautiful, I think. As you can see, the shampoo comes in like this big ass pump bottle, and the conditioner comes in this cute little squeezy thing. Everyone's enamored with how cute this is, and you can squeeze it. So the conditioner is like in a nice thicker cream form, and I think that makes it all the more nourishing. You just need a little bit, and I think it does a very good job of conditioning the hair. My hair falls in like the thick, coarse and slightly dry spectrum, but they also have products for curly hair, and if you have fine hair, they have a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. I'm never going to try that because I don't need volume, but if you have fine hair, it might be something to check out. After I washed my hair, I like using this BBlunt Climate Control Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream. Frizz is basically one of the biggest concerns I face on a day-to-day basis. Absolutely bad, because I live in a city that's very humid, and my hair just like balloons up and looks messy and frizzy very easily. So yeah, whenever I go to any dry city, I actually don't face any of these issues, but my home city in fact gives me a lot of problems. So I wish I could say that this is like a complete miracle in a bottle and it magically keeps my hair manageable. It doesn't do that, but it's still a perfectly adequate leave-in cream that I use as part of my regimen where my hair is damp. I put it in my mid to ends, and it just does make it a little bit more manageable, so I still enjoy using this a lot. Next up, we're going to discuss one of my favorite products from the range, and it's the Back to Life Dry Shampoo. I have talked on many occasions about how much I love dry shampoo. I suffer from really greasy roots. So by day 2 after I washed my hair, my ends are still kind of dry, and I don't like washing my hair every day, but my roots start to get really oily and it shows. Plus then, you know, all of the hair which is around my scalp area just kind of sticks like tighter to my scalp. It falls flat, it looks really bad, and so I tend to use quite a lot of dry shampoo in my routine. Also, I recently went to a music festival and I didn't wash my hair every day, though music festivals can be messy, and so dry shampoo was a great help in that way, and this dry shampoo works amazingly well, and I cannot say enough good things about it because it's easily available in India. You can get it online, and all of the B System products are formulated just for Indian hair, because a lot of products that otherwise we get in the market, they're kind of formulated with Caucasian hair in mind, or just different kind of hair in mind, which is a lot thinner. Indian hair just is very different. Each strand is a lot thicker, and we face a whole different set of issues. So I thoroughly recommend this dry shampoo, and I even have the tiny mini one which I just keep with me just in case of emergencies. And finally, this is the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish. This one I don't tend to use as much, but I like using it whenever I style my hair, sometimes for like a fancy night out or something like that, because this just gives your hair a lot of shine when you spray it on. So if I've curled my hair, or even if I've straightened it, if I'm going for a really sleek look, then if my mids to end kind of look a little bit lusterless, especially the ends, like when I'm overdue for a haircut, the ends kind of look a little bit more like frayed and dry, especially if you've colored your hair. So this kind of minimizes all of that look, and it just adds a lot of nice shiny glossy look to your hair, and I really love that. Just be sure not to spray it close to your roots because it will just make them look more greasy, but from your mids to your ends, again, this is like a really nice product. So that was pretty much like my mini review of the whole B System range, at least the products that were recommended to me. And now it's time for you guys to win some stuff. So basically you can win all of the products that I've shown you, but not exactly. You can take the B System quiz on the website. I'm going to leave the link down below, and just check out what products are suited to you, and I'll give you a hamper of stuff that is suited according to your hair type, the shampoo, conditioner, etc. that is right for you. To enter the giveaway, first of all, you need to be a subscriber of this channel. Then take the B System quiz that I talked about. Take it and just find out what kind of hair type you have and what products are best suited to you. Then you also need to follow BBlunt and me on Instagram. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below, so open the description box and check out all the steps and links that you need to do. And finally, after you've done all of that, just leave a comment down below in the comment box of this YouTube video, just telling me what you like about your hair. So I'm the kind of person that does complain a lot about my hair, and I know we all do, but I also want to spread a little bit of positivity. And I'm sure that if there are some things that you don't like about your hair, or you find annoying, or you want to fix, there are also some things that you like about your hair. So tell me what you like about your hair, or what you like doing with your hair, or something like that. I really like how thick my hair is. It can be difficult to manage, but overall it's still really nice, and I like how it looks when it's red. The giveaway is open all India, and it will end on next Wednesday at midnight, because on Thursday there'll be a brand new giveaway. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.